First, we add grease pencil blank in collection. Set your cursor in 3D cursor, then tick mark 3D cursor in viewport overlay for visibility. We learn how to animate wallet, so draw outline of wallet in draw mode. We will see that wallet outline convert into this wallet so you better understand first step of animation. I add one more blank in collection. It's same like before but more good way to draw wallet. Then add a layer for draw a path of wallet where is animate. Then get down opacity of this layer. I add one more layer according to my animation. I want to animate only this layer, so select this layer and move forward blue line where you want to drop key for next frame. Copy this key, move to next frame, then go to edit mode and lock other layer, then press A for select all. Press G for free move. Shift right click for 3D cursor, R for rotation. When you press R for rotation, then press Z for object rotation in Z axis as well as Y axis rotation for press Y. Select all key, then go to multi-frame for see all key from one view. Right click go preference then view. For all who rotate in Z axis, jump into one plane. Arrange your key according to your animation. I already add a grease in collection, hand, pant and shirt and create wallet layer in pant. Then move blue line where start animation of wallet. Go to edit mode then select pant. Press shift D for duplicate and move. I animate wallet same as before using GSR, free move, scale, rotation. This circle reference as a hand to grab this wallet. Using multi-frame option for all in one time edit. I move frame in this path. Also I use sculpt mode. Press F for size. I did it hand animation on the circle. Now you see what is interpolation. It's auto generate key in between two key. It's very helpful for smooth animation. Also we scale key distance to press S.